welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android airplane mode stuck cannot turn off. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your settings on your device and try to turn off your airplane mode from here. Head over to network and internet and toggle airplane mode off from here instead of the quick settings. If that does not work, try using your power button along with your volume down button to force restart your phone. If that does not work, you can reset the SIM card. What you can do is head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, turn off your phone, take the SIM cards out, and then turn the phone back on and then reinsert the SIMs. If that does not work, what you can try and do is reset your network settings. For that, head over to settings on your device and then search for reset in the search bar. Hit the search icon, after which you can simply tap on reset options, tap on reset options again, and then tap on reset mobile network settings and then reset your settings. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.